Hello and welcome to Start Your Workday Mindfully, a daily Niabra's 5-minute retreat. My name is Ruth Cologne Wagner, and today is Friday, May 8th, 2020. I thank you so much for joining me. I have a special guest today, and if you've listened before, you know who he is. He is my best friend. And he also just happens to be my husband, Michael Wagner. Thank you, Michael. I appreciate you so much. Let's dive right in.
Sometimes, when we're trying to enter into a mindful state, it can be helpful to have an image in our mind to be able to concentrate on. For today's exercise, I'd like to lead you through one of those kinds of meditations, thinking about a gathering rainstorm. And so now I invite you to get into a comfortable position, whether you're sitting or standing or lying down. And if you wish, close your eyes and try to imagine a sky where a rainstorm is coming towards the place where you are. As you take in a deep breath, imagine that sky, the clouds gathered, looking dark somewhere in the distance, a shadow beneath the cloud. As you breathe in and out and relax in the moment, this isn't a rainstorm that's part of a terrible weather system. It's just coming across the sky towards you, and you can see the dark clouds as they roil and roar in turmoil, rain preparing itself to fall. As you take in your deep breath, you can smell the air before the rain. It smells thick. It feels humid. There's a stillness, but a ready for wind experience that's about to come. You can feel it starting to pick up. And as you breathe out and as you breathe in, you can hear and smell that rain in the distance as it starts to come closer to you. As you breathe in, you feel the wind pick up around you. It brushes your skin as it goes by. It pushes your hair from one side to the other as the storm comes upon you. And you can hear a patter of rain, first a drop and then another as it hits the ground. Nearby it hits a leaf, and you can hear it as it falls. Pat, pat, slap. While you're breathing, you now feel the rain as it comes in earnest. And you can feel the air get heavy as the rain rushes down around you. The air hisses with the rain as the drops pass by and hit the ground. Take a deep breath. Smell the air full of the rain. It's wet and it's heavy, but it smells clean. It smells thick as you take each breath in and let each breath out. Now this isn't a big storm, so you can already feel it passing by. The heavy roar of the rain hitting the leaves and the ground around you passes by. And now you hear the earlier pattern in reverse. The rain stops roaring and starts to hiss, and then patters, and then stops. And as you look up at the sky, you can see the clouds as they start to lighten, and you can smell the air around you as the rain stops. It's clean and clear. It feels lighter than it did. The air is still, and it is around you. And as you take a deep breath in and you let a deep breath out, you understand that you have seen the rain come, and you've experienced the rain with you, and you have seen the rain pass. The rain reminds us of the moments of our lives. They approach us, and we see them coming. Perhaps we dream of them, or we anticipate them. They're upon us, and we experience them in their fullness, and they pass us, and we look at them in memory. Let the rain metaphor be a reminder to wait for each moment, live each moment, and let each moment pass, so that no matter what you're facing or what you're experiencing, this rainstorm will remind you that once the moment passes, you will smell calm, clean air, and you will know peace.
Thank you for being with us today. I'm so grateful to Michael for writing this storm exercise. It's designed to help us experience the now, but also to understand the passage of the storm. You can find me on Twitter using the hashtag MindfullyNiappers. Today's quote is, "You can't calm the storm, so stop trying. What you can do is calm yourself. The storm will pass." Timber Hawkeye. Until Monday, on behalf of myself and everyone at Niappers, I thank you so much for joining me. Have an amazing and calm day.